Alright, y'all, this is another trip. I know it's been a minute, but this is a different bus. This is a wheelchair bus, so you can see it's not as big as mine. Hey, and they got AC. My bus ain't got no AC, but it's so cool. But yeah, so see, so it's wheelchair accessible. Yup. I think that's a heater. Yeah, that's a heater. Don't sit on that, please don't. That's why I said this is not a seat. Please don't. You know, I know the use. Yeah, you know, you set them up. Yeah, this is it. So now y'all done seen the wheelchair bus. I will have to show y'all the outside. But my mom are coming back. We gotta go get these kiddos. So I'm out. I'll see y'all soon. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I know it needs a little lineup, but yeah.